Hello guys, welcome back to the Blessed Performance YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about a Maryland Performance Diesel piping kit. This is for your 6.7 Power Stroke. Right here we have a kit for a 15 plus truck essentially. So yes, there are different ones based on different years of the truck. Best way I can explain it. MPD is the only company in the country that does have an 11 to 14 where if you don't for some reason intend to replace the turbo in your 11 to 14 ever, you can get a piping kit for that turbo now. So what it is, just real quick sum it up, we don't have it in front of us, but the 11 to 14 kit on this pipe right here, your stock turbo has two intakes essentially. The 11 to 14 kit allows you, or it comes with this intake pipe right here with an extra leg off to go to the second port on the turbo. Then it has one outlet obviously to the intercooler, which goes to this guy. So realistically, there's several piping kits on the market. This is just one of the many great ones on the market. This is a full billet piece, which is pretty awesome. So you can see that this is full billet piece right here in the middle. The advantage of a piping kit, the reason that it was designed, for a couple of reasons. Obviously, 6.7 Power Strokes with all that plastic junk on top just looks horrible, let's be real. And the other advantage you're gonna notice, you're gonna notice some dramatically cooler EGTs, usually about 200 degrees on every truck we've installed one on. The other gains you're gonna see are usually 1 to 2 mile per gallon gains on every single truck that we've installed it on. We've seen that. So a few tech tips. It's kind of a pain in the butt to get the plastic stock intake out of there, but once it's out, this goes on pretty straightforward. Here's where it goes to your intake manifold. These 4 right here on each side. You'll want to reuse the factory O-rings that go in there. This is your cold side pipe, okay? So this goes from your intercooler to this guy right here. Your factory cold side pipe, if you've ever owned a 6.7 or been around them, you know that they are prone to cracking on the plastic side. And then here's a hot side pipe. Now when you're ordering these, it's an option on our website along with MPD's website. This boot right here does not come with. You can take the factory one off and use a clamp, put it on there, or you can order a new boot. The new boot costs right around 100 bucks, I want to say. It's something that's come up a few times with a couple customers, so I wanted to share that information with you guys. Yeah, it's pretty much straightforward. It comes with a complete kit, installation. There are YouTube videos, plenty of YouTube videos. We have some videos on our website installing piping kits. They all kind of install the same way. So whether you watch a pusher one, an MPD one, SPE or Smetting, I think is the other one that's out there, No Limit. We have a few different great options. Whether any of those are all going to install similar ways. So whether you're looking to drop EGTs, increase mileage, anytime you increase airflow on a diesel engine, you're gonna do all of that. This is definitely a quality kit. This is for a 15 plus truck right here. Give us a call, 1-800-577-2698. Check them out on the website, blessedperformance.com. Click like, subscribe, follow, check out our Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Thanks and have a blessed day.